Nutrition hacks for optimal energy. Boost your productivity. Boost your energy levels and increase your productivity with these nutrition tips. Fueling your body with the right nutrients is the key to sustained energy throughout the day, helping you conquer tasks and achieve your goals. Balanced breakfast. Start your day with a balanced breakfast, rich in protein, complex carbs, and healthy fats. A hearty morning meal not only speeds up your metabolism, but also provides a sustained release of energy, keeping you focused and alert. Hydration boost. Don't underestimate the power of hydration. Water is essential for optimal energy levels. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses a day to stay hydrated, as dehydration can lead to fatigue and decreased cognitive function. Superfood snacking. Upgrade your snacks with superfoods like nuts, seeds, and berries. These nutrient-dense options provide a quick energy boost without the crash, helping you get through the afternoon with vitality. Protein-packed lunch. Opt for a protein-rich lunch to keep your energy levels steady. Include lean proteins like chicken, tofu, or beans along with vegetables and whole grains. This combo provides your body with lasting energy for the day ahead. Mindful eating. Slow down and savor your food. Eating mindfully not only promotes digestion, but also signals satiety to your body, preventing energy loss from overeating. Energy-boosting smoothies. Blend a nutrient-packed smoothie for a delicious energy boost. Mix fruit, green vegetables, Greek yogurt, and almond milk for a refreshing and energizing drink. Limit sugar intake. Cut down on refined sugars to avoid energy spikes and crashes. Opt for natural sweeteners like honey or maple syrup, and focus on consuming whole fruits for sustained energy. Omega-3 rich foods. Include omega-3 fatty acids in your diet with foods like fatty fish, chia seeds, and walnuts. These healthy fats aid brain function and help maintain consistent energy levels. Energizing herbal teas. Replace your afternoon coffee with an invigorating herbal tea like peppermint or ginseng. This tea provides you with natural energy without any jitteriness and keeps you energetic without compromising on sleep. Power naps. Although it's not a nutrition hack, a power nap can boost energy levels. Keep it short, about 20 minutes, to avoid anxiety and support cognitive function. Magnesium-rich foods. Boost your energy metabolism by including magnesium-rich foods in your diet. Leafy vegetables, nuts, and whole grains are excellent sources that contribute to sustained energy production. Evening meal choices. Choose a light and nutritious evening meal to avoid disruption in your sleep. A balanced dinner with lean proteins, vegetables, and complex carbs ensures a restful night, setting the stage for another energetic day.